Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2013 Dodge Journey. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the battery. Now I'm going to make a video of how to install the battery. There is the replacement part number. So let's go ahead and throw it onto the battery bay. Alright, there it is in place. First thing I'm going to do is grab the battery bracket and put it into place. This is going to go latch right into that hole right there. Alright, and there it is, nice and latched into place. It was a little tough to work it in there, but was able to. Let's go ahead and put this screw or this bolt. It goes right in through here, and we'll secure it with the nut. Here it is. Okay, that one's going to be a 13 millimeter, so I'm going to use this ratchet, fast ratchet, to tie that down. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to grab our positive terminal. Go ahead and put it on the positive terminal. And our negative one, work it in here to the negative side. On my last video, it was pretty corroded, so I used this to clean it off. There it is. So now I'm going to put it back into place and secure the negative and then the positive, or the positive and the negative. Doesn't matter as long as you have both of the terminals, positive first then negative. Alright, there it is. Negative is secured. Let's go ahead and tie down the positive terminal. Alright, there it is, nice and secured. Everything's nice in place. Now let's go ahead and put our cover back into place. Alright, so there I have my panel back into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a retainer clip there and all the way around. Alright, I went ahead and put a clip there, and here. Sweet. And it's missing one here, so I'm going to put a zip tie like it originally had it here. Alright, now what we have to do is put the wheel back on, secure it down, lower the vehicle, and start it up. And just secure all the lug nuts. Started doing this single-handedly. Alright, now we're ready to lower our vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and give it a try. Sweet, fired right up. And that is how you install battery on the 2013 Dodge Journey. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.